This red-headed woodpecker, this is his tree. He loves this tree. He's always on this tree. That's why I always leave food at the bottom down here. And he comes down and gets his food a little bit. But he always hangs out on this tree. That's his safe haven. What a beautiful. And he only gets a little piece of corn and takes it with him. And I think he hides it in the tree for later. See, he puts it in the tree and thinks, you know what? I'm going to come back and get this piece of corn later when I don't have any corn. And he hides it in the bark. How about that? And here he comes down to get some more. He stores it. How about that? See? And there he goes back up. He goes back up and he puts it in the wood. Is that pretty amazing? Don't forget to save. That's his message today. Woody woodpecker right there. Pretty amazing.